Welcome to Krixik. In this example video, we'll review how to easily and cost-efficiently set up a process to transcribe audio files and then run sentiment analysis on the transcripts by using a multi-module Krixik pipeline. For context, performing sentiment analysis on audio transcripts can help uncover verbally expressed emotional cues and attitudes, providing deeper and quantified insights into speaker sentiment, customer feedback, or public opinion in contexts where spoken communication is prevalent. After you install Krixik and initialize your session, your first step will be to assemble your pipeline. You do this with the create pipeline method. The create pipeline method takes two mandatory arguments, name and module chain. Name is the pipeline's unique identifier, so set it wisely. Module chain specifies the sequence of modules you want in the pipeline. In this case, you need the following sequence: a transcribe module, a JSON to text module, a parser module, and finally a sentiment module. The JSON to text and parser combination may seem redundant, given that it converts JSON to TXT and then back to JSON, but having it ensures that pauses in speech don't make for partial snippets that then confuse the sentiment analysis model. Your pipeline is now ready for file processing. You can test it with this audio of a gentleman speaking about the great country of Colombia. In this example, you'll process the file with all the module's default models. As of this recording, those defaults are Whisper Tiny for transcription, Base for JSON to text, Sentence for text parsing, and Distilbert Base Uncased Fine-Tuned SST2 English for sentiment analysis. All default AI models have been selected because they are currently popular and well regarded. That said, be sure to check our documentation because the default models may change, or simply sign up for a newsletter or follow us on social media and we'll let you know. Note that, since these are the defaults, they don't need to be specified in the code. To process the file, invoke the process method on the pipeline you created. The process method takes one mandatory argument, which is local file path. This is a basic file path indicating where the file you wish to process is stored in your local drive. The other arguments here are optional and all have default values if not specified. For example, local save directory indicates where in your local drive you want output saved, and expire time specifies how long process data should be kept on the Krixik system before being deleted. There are other optional arguments beside these. With the file now processed, you can print the output of the process. Here it is, each sentence spoken in the audio accompanied by a sentiment breakdown that indicates to what extent it's positive, negative, and neutral. You may want to experiment to see what model combination works best for you, because non-default models are great alternatives as well, and also because there are some parameters you may wish to set. Or maybe you'd like to complement this module pair with an additional module of another sort. Fortunately, experimenting with Krixik is a breeze. Making a new pipeline or trying different models only takes a single line of code. Is there a model or function you'd like to use in a Krixik pipeline like this one, but that isn't currently available? Let us know via GitHub, X, or email. We're always looking to add more great models and functions to our modules. Thank you for watching and welcome to Krixik.